What's up, guys? My name is Yolanda Francis, and you're watching the Lab TV Ireland. Our special guest today is a dedicated fashion blogger, hairstylist, and businessman, David Babington, aka Material Boy.
Hi, bitches!
So, why Material Boy?
Okay, the name Material Boy, or the blog Material Boy, the name came from my idol, my lifelong idol is Madonna. So when I was thinking of doing the fashion blog, Material Boy was just the perfect choice. I am the Material Boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've heard you have a lot of tattoos of Madonna.
I have a lot of tattoos of Madonna. I have 14 Madonna tattoos around my body. Yeah.
Oh my God.
They're spread, they're everywhere. So yeah, there's some naughty ones, so I'm not sure I can show you them. But yeah, 14 Madonna tattoos.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are your 2015 highlights?
My 2015 highlights. There's been a few. Last year was a crazy year for my blog. I won the Tia Maria High Style Awards Blogger of the Year.
Okay.
I styled and photographed so many photo shoots. There's been so many. I became a columnist in a magazine, all because of my blog. So there's been so many. Last year was an incredible year. Also, I was in New York and I got to photograph Sarah Jessica Parker in Bloomingdale's. I pretended I was one of the paparazzi, so they didn't give me I pretended that I didn't get my press pass and they allowed me in. I showed them that I worked for a magazine and they let me in with like 8 photographers and I was able to photograph Sarah Jessica Parker in Bloomingdale's. It was amazing.
What magazine is that?
The magazine I work for is High Magazine. It's a monthly magazine, a monthly publication that you get here in Cork.
It's in Cork. Okay.
It's in Cork. It's a Cork magazine.
Okay. Where did your love for blogging came from?
I've always had an interest in fashion. So about a year and a half ago, I decided I really need to do something about this. And people always said, where do you buy your clothes? You know, you need to do a blog. And I just did it a year and a half ago. So I just thought it's about time for a guy to be blogging.
Okay. How did you fall in love with fashion? Like, what age?
As young as I can remember. I remember, again, talking about Madonna, I remember being like 5 years old and singing like a virgin, seeing her at the MTV Awards singing like a virgin. And I grew up watching shows like Dynasty and Dallas, and they were my fashion inspiration. So yeah, I've always loved fashion.
Describe your fashion in 3 words.
Unique, daring, outrageous.
Do you design?
I don't design, no, actually. It's something that I would love to do, but no, I don't have. I haven't taken on that level, but maybe. Who knows?
So your biggest inspiration, I would have to say Madonna.
Madonna, obviously, of course. Madonna has been my biggest inspiration, but in the fashion scene, I guess, it's always been women. It's, like I said, Sarah Jessica Parker, Victoria Beckham. They would be my biggest fashion inspiration, definitely.
Okay. So what do you blog about?
My fashion, what I wear, life, just daily, everything got to do with fashion. I like my blog to be inspirational, uplifting, nothing negative on it. It's just all very, very positive. That's good. So yeah, that's what it's about. It's about positive thinking, positive attitude. And if you have a goal, you can do it.
Okay.
If you believe in yourself.
Yeah, definitely. Where's your biggest audience? In Ireland or abroad?
It's in Ireland, but it's on a broader scale. I've got like a lot of followers in New Zealand, Canada. It's a lot around Europe, but mostly in Ireland.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, Material Boy going from strength to strength to strength, but I would love ultimately to be working on TV in 5 years from now.
Which city has the biggest fashion industry between Paris, London, Milan or New York?
New York, 100%. I travel to New York every September, have done for the last 9 years, and I come alive when I land on JFK. It's just the energy, the atmosphere, everyone is so unique in their own individual way. So it's the fashion capital of the world, without a doubt.
Okay. What do you think of Ireland fashion?
It took me a while to embrace Ireland's fashion, but we're definitely coming there in the last 4 years, especially, I think, in Cork. Guys especially are starting to dress a lot better. I think the girls have always made a huge effort, but the guys are getting in there. You know, I don't want to see a bootleg jean ever again. Please get rid of that. And guys with rugby shirts, no thank you.
Oh my
but
God.
we're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely.
Surely, yeah. Do you follow trends?
I don't know. I get inspired by certain trends, but I don't like to follow trends because they become a fad very fast and they become boring. So for myself, I like to, what I feel good in, I wear.
Okay. You're also an hairstylist, yeah?
Yeah.
And you co-own a salon. Where
I
is
do
that?
indeed. I co-own Vanity Hair Salon. That's on Washington Street.
What's the address?
Number 10 Washington Street.
Number 10 Washington Street.
Yeah.
Okay.
I own that with my husband. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where can we find your unique style and your sense of dressing? Like where on the web? Do you have any shops or anything?
Well, personally for myself, I'm like I said, I'm not a big fan of following trends. For me,
Yeah.
I love vintage clothes. I love
Okay.
clothes that have had a story. I've got clothes that are like trousers that are 30 years old and stuff. But for high streets, Topman and Zara. They would be my ultimate kind of high store shops.
Yeah.
And I love TK Maxx. You always find amazing little hidden treasures in TK Maxx. You know, I just recently
Definitely.
found like a pair of Gucci boots inside there for like €30, which was crazy. So TK Maxx is a place to go for bargains.
Okay. Before you leave here today, we would definitely need some fashion tips from you.
Okay.
Definitely.
For men and women?
Both.
Okay. Guys, like I said, please give up the bootleg jean and the rugby shirt. If you're going out on Saturday night, that's not a way to impress a lady. You know, get a little bit modern, wear a skinny jean, wear a nice shirt, and smell good, for God's sake. Personal grooming is very important. For women, sometimes, you know, don't always show leg and boob and everything. Just show, like, this is perfect. This is the perfect amount of sexy. She's got it going on. So something on the lines of that. Not a short skirt and a short top. So yeah. But the girls in Cork, I think, are doing pretty well on the fashion scene.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming
Thank you
here
for having
today. And we definitely will listen to your fashion.
Please do. And follow me on Facebook, guys. Material Boy. Bitches.
Thank you.
Thank you.